As the exam period approaches, the pressure to perform can feel overwhelming. The first step in making the most of this time is to establish a structured study plan. Creating a timetable that allocates specific times for studying each subject not only helps you stay organized but also ensures that you cover all necessary material without cramming. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, allowing time for breaks to refresh your mind and increase retention. Another valuable method is to utilize active learning techniques. Instead of passively reading through your notes, engage with the material through summarization, teaching concepts to someone else, or working on practice questions. This hands on approach not only solidifies your understanding but also identifies areas where you may need additional focus. Visual learners may find that using diagrams or flashcards enhances their ability to memorize key facts and concepts effectively. Creating a study environment conducive to concentration is crucial during exam periods. Find a quiet space with minimal distractions and organize your materials before you begin. Ensure your study area is well lit and comfortable. Some may benefit from background music or ambient sounds to maintain focus, while others may prefer complete silence. A tidy, organized workspace promotes clarity of thought and helps in reducing anxiety, allowing for deeper engagement with the material. Moreover, it's essential to practice self-care throughout your study period. Prioritize adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise to keep your mind sharp and focused. Short bursts of physical activity can invigorate you during long study sessions, enhancing cognitive function and reducing stress levels. Simultaneously, stay hydrated and maintain a diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients to ensure that your body and mind are performing at their best. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek support whenever needed. Forming study groups can facilitate discussion and offer new perspectives on complex topics. Sharing knowledge with peers reinforces your own understanding and builds a supportive community during a stressful time. If possible, consult with teachers or tutors for guidance on difficult subjects. With these strategies in mind, you can navigate the exam period confidently, transforming stress into success.